What is up, my dudes? Okay. I am tired of getting so many messages, comments, PMs, tweets, stuff like that about not having, like, stop it! Of having, Irie Lakeisha's nails so long. I'm going to show you why. Number one, I can't take her to go get her nails done because she's a jerk. And number two, let me show you. I got, you know, I love everything. You better calm her down. She's going crazy because she sees it. I got this, you know, the, where it files it and stuff. And stop! See? That's why. Now watch this. Watch. I'm gonna... No, let me... Hey! You stop. Let me... Ah! That is why. So get off my ass.